Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist. I'm here with Famous John. Famous John is 15 years old, he has Down syndrome, and he can ride a bike all by himself without training wheels, so he said he would help me out for my series teaching bike riding skills. So when I'm thinking about teaching someone to ride a bike who can't do it, I make sure first that they can, if I take care of the propelling part, that they've got the steering part down, because when you ride a bike, you have to pedal with your legs and steer with your arms. So I kind of divide it up and make sure they got good steering skills. So, Famous John, I'm gonna push you. All you have to do is steer. You got this?
Easy.
All right, let's go, come on. This is a roller racer, and I like it because it's easy to steer. Now, whoa, you got this?
No, I need help.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
I need help.
All right, is your foot caught? All right.
On my leg.
Oh my gosh, your big muscular, oh, and your fingers are stepped on. Holy moly. All right, you're ready? You're good. All right, stay inside. Can you keep it straight? Now, at my clinic, we go down the halls and we try to see how many times you run into obstacles in the hallway. So this is actually much harder than how I'd usually do it in the clinic, because this is only 3 feet wide, 60 feet long. You didn't run out one time. You're good at this. Hey, I'm gonna push you over to the start, okay? So we're gonna go to the harder one next. It's only 1.5 feet wide and it's a figure 8. Good luck to you. All right, so now, Famous John, are you ready for this challenge?
Ready.
He's born ready. Okay, we're gonna go in a 1.5 foot wide path and a figure 8. You have to stay inside. I'm pushing you. All you have to do is steer. Good luck to you. Now my experience is the people who have trouble steering often have trouble with attention maintenance. Why don't you go straight through? Yeah. Whoa, watch where you're going. That they get distracted by what they're going by and they have trouble paying attention. Yeah, so in the street, that's going to be a big problem. All right, you remember how to go through, straight through right there?
Easy.
Easy.
It's easier.
Okay, wait a minute. We already went all the way around.
Yeah.
You did it without a mistake.
See?
This is why we have Famous John here to help out.
Yeah.
So find a toy. I have a plasma car at the office, and sometimes I've used a standing scooter. I want to make sure that they can steer with somebody else propelling. I hope this is helpful for you, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.
If you liked this video and would like to be notified by email when the next video comes out, click the subscribe button here and click the golden bell icon and ensure notifications are enabled on your account.